Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to check and update your Slack version on desktop, how to update Slack on desktop easy guide. So first, to be able to begin, just open Slack onto your desktop and make sure you're onto the right account. So once you're already logged in, right after that, to check and update your Slack version, just head here onto the upper left corner of the screen and click onto the three horizontal lines. So if you click onto that, you should be able to find in help. If you hover onto help, you should be able to find in about Slack in here. If you click onto about Slack, you should be able to see the current version of Slack that you're currently in. So as you can see, we have that one over here. You could also copy that one out. And to check for updates, click onto the three horizontal lines again, click onto help, and check for updates. So right after, it should go ahead and pop up a screen just like this if you have the latest version already. So you could just click OK for that. But if your app is not updated, you might see a different screen wherein it asks you to update it, and you'll just have to click or follow in the prompts to go ahead and install the latest version of it. And that is just basically it, how to check and update your Slack version on desktop. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.